We love thyme. We use it in our food and love it in our gardens, but strategically chose to leave it out of our EC3 products. Why? We're glad you asked. Because a body harmed by mold has specific sensitivities and specific needs in order to heal. Thymol, an essential oil derived from thyme, is a wonderful natural antiseptic that is present in many cleaning products, but it is not always the best ingredient for a mold-sick person. So why don't we use Thymol in our products since it's antifungal and seems to be in some of the most popular remediation products these days? We have many reasons, but the most important reason, in our opinion, is that our products are formulated specifically for mold-harmed people, and Thymol is not always the best solution for that patient population. According to research published in the Food Control Journal, Thymol exhibits potential for inhibiting bacterial growth, including strains that are resistant to antibiotics. But understanding the interactions between thyme and the body, especially when it has been compromised by mold and mycotoxins, is crucial for ensuring your health and safety. When you are using any product for remediation, you are wiping with it, fogging with it, and treating various belongings with it. That makes whatever you are using to clean a significant exposure source for you. Thus, what is in your remediation product is equally as important as how effective it is for the health and safety of your home. These are some of the issues with Thymol for a mold-harmed body. Number 1. Research has shown that mycotoxins can influence blood coagulation. For instance, certain mycotoxins can induce oxidative stress, which in turn can affect the coagulation process. This relationship is still being studied, but it's clear that mycotoxins can have a significant impact on blood health, and thyme contains components that might slow blood clotting. Number 2. Some research suggests that the thyme plant has estrogen-like effects on the body. If you are living in a moldy home, you are being exposed to toxins that are estrogen mimicking. You don't want to double down with estrogenic cleaning supplies. Number 3, mycotoxins affect ADH, anti-diuretic hormone. Think your body cannot regulate water balance. Thyme has diuretic properties, which means it can help your body get rid of sodium in water. This effect might lead to an increased risk of dehydration or an imbalance of electrolytes. Number 4, mycotoxins directly affect the pituitary gland and thyroid. Most often, the thyroid begins to underproduce, leading to chronic fatigue, weight gain, and loss of muscle. There is some evidence suggesting that thyme may affect thyroid hormone levels and can even potentially interact with thyroid hormone medications like levothyroxine. Number 5, there is a direct link between mycotoxin exposure and chronic fatigue syndrome. Thyme might have sedative properties and hence could potentially enhance the effects of mycotoxin exposure, leading to increased drowsiness or slow breathing. Of course, using thyme in your cooking is not going to cause any issues, but when you are using a lot of a product to clean when your body is already compromised, it gives you more to think about. The point is not to fear thyme. It's a beautiful and wonderful herb. It's just not always the best choice during a mold journey. That's why we chose not to include it in EC3 products. We love you.